Yo, what's going on, guys? Joe Baravecchio here. I'm back at it again with another video. Today we are going to go into how to manually find products to dropship on Amazon. This is going to be the most simplest form of products research without any software, any Chrome extensions, etc. Bare minimum that you need. You could start this literally right on the side of this video while I go. You can start to find your first couple of products that you could eventually dropship. This will require basically no investment for you to start doing, because the only investment you would need to make is the Amazon seller account. However, we're not going to be using any paid extensions in this, no software, nothing. Literally, we're just going to be going into the basics, bare basics of product research and how to find products to sell on Amazon. So with that being said, please leave a like, comment on this video what you want to see next, as well as what kind of products that you might have found so far. And also subscribe and make sure you're ready to watch all the videos on Monday, Wednesday, and Friday coming out at 6 p.m. Eastern Time. So now that all that's out of the way, let's hop inside my computer and start doing some product research. So now that we're inside my computer, like I said, this is going to be the most basic form of product research. So I actually opened up an incognito tab. You definitely want to use Chrome, because when we go into more in-depth methods, you're going to want to use Chrome extensions to make time go faster, as well as become more efficient. However, I opened up incognito, so there's absolutely no Chrome tabs, no extensions whatsoever. This is bare bones, no search history, anything. So these are going to be just live trying to find products. I'm going to show you guys exactly what I would do if I was trying to find products with the most manual way possible. And eventually I'll release some videos with more in-depth methods and be able to make you guys more efficient as well, showing you different tools to do so. However, we're just going to go to Amazon.com. So this is very bare bones, like I said. So the first thing you're going to want to do is just type in something random. So it's the summertime, it's July. So I'm going to go with something that might be in season, just that way maybe we have a better chance of finding a product much quicker. So outdoor patio furniture. Boom, search it. Like I said, no extensions. So you're going to be popped up with a bunch of results. Since we're doing drop shipping, you don't have to worry about Prime or not. I will give you some more criteria for what to look for in products once we get further into this video. But like I said, this is very bare bones. So literally all we're going to do is we're just going to start with the first product. I don't do sponsored products. We just skip those. So open a new tab. I usually open up around 5. So you just open up a couple tabs of different products to go through. Here we go. So you're going to go through it. Okay. Here we have the Home All 4-piece outdoor furniture set. So first thing I like to do is I like to make sure that there's multiple sellers on the listing, which in this case there is. That means that it's nothing. You want at least 4 sellers on the listing to prove that it's not something that's a gated product. And you also want to make sure that when you see the brand, which in this case is Home All or Hamel, however you say it, that they are not a seller. So if we look here, Outwell, Trusted Market, Brazilian Bikinis, Via Maya Store, Coastal Desert. So there's a bunch of different sellers. There's nobody that's called Homel or Hamel, whatever the brand is. So that's good for so far. Next thing I like to look at is the rank of the product. So you can scroll down here and you will see, okay, so this is number 971 in patio, lawn, and garden, which is really good. So I usually like to go for somewhere around under 100,000 rank. This being number 971, this means this is a very, very quick seller and it sells a lot. And we could see that also by the #1 bestseller in patio sofas rated by Amazon. So now we want to see if we could source this product. So basically, since we're not using any extensions, I like to just go right click and hit search for Google. If you're not on Mac, I don't know exactly how it would work. However, let's just go and see if we can find this product elsewhere. So Walmart is one of our trusted suppliers that we've talked about. This is definitely a different product because it's a different brand, so we're going to X out of this one. Oh, I didn't mean to do that. We're going to search it again on Google. I meant to just go back there. Walnu, Homel, Newegg. I don't really use them as a supplier. You can mess around with eBay, however, I don't recommend it. So I'm not really seeing this product, so we're just going to, don't get too attached to it, just move on to the next one, X that out, and go to this one. So again, we're going to check again. Different sellers, so sold and shipped by Poom. Is there any other sellers? It doesn't look like there's any other sellers on this listing. I'm going to skip this one. And here, looking for other sellers. Nope. So we're going to go to the next one again. So this isn't really taking us much time. So you want to definitely, like we said before, okay, this is the same product. Next. You want to look to make sure there's other sellers on the listing. I'm not seeing different ones on these. So there is an extension to help with that. However, like I said, this is basic product research. So we're not going to be using any extensions. So we're just going to keep going, open up 5 more. We already did that one. Skip down a little bit. Okay, so here we go. This same thing looks like it's only sold by one seller. Here, also the same thing. So I'm gonna try to move a little bit faster so we can find a product in this video. It's probably gonna take a while because we're doing such cold product research. However, that's fine. Still want to show you guys the basics and exactly what we're doing here. Again, one seller, keep going. You don't want to list a product without one seller. You have a higher chance of having a problem, and also you could get an IP complaint, intellectual property, so that's not good. We're going to keep going here. Okay. So, okay, 3 sellers. We'll just check this out for the sake of the video. I usually like to go for at least 4, but let's see if we can find this product somewhere else. That's white. Nope. Again, we're going to go next. Okay, here it looks like we only have one seller because we're not finding any other ones. It's only by Avony. Next. Same thing here. Okay, 2 sellers. Again, we're just going to check it for the sake of the video because I want to make sure that you guys can see the next steps that go and are involved with this. So this one is on Walmart, so we can definitely check this out. This is in the beige color for $259 with free shipping. Let's see. Beige, right? Yep, beige. So this is brown, gray, black. I'm guessing they have brown and beige categorized differently. However, let's just check for a beige one. Okay, so let's say it was black. Just for the sake of this argument, we found it in black. Right here, it's out of stock, but is it the same? Best choice with, so now that you found a product, let's just pretend this was in stock, and we'll definitely find another one before we go forward. So the product looks the same. The only difference is the pillow. However, this is best choice products. This is best choice products with 4 seats, table, tempered glass tabletop, 3 sofas, weather resistant cushions, etc. So here, what do we have here? 3 sofas, 4-piece wicker patio furniture set, tempered glass, 3 sofas, cushion seats, etc. This is the same product. I can see that the pictures they have with the pillow are different, but this is what you're looking for. So right here, this product is selling right now for $475.59 on Amazon. So you'll just pull out your phone. Since we're not using any software, we're going to have to calculate exactly what the cost is. So right now we're going to go 475.59 C minus 15%, $71. So it comes out to $404. On Walmart, we see that we can get this product for $250, so minus $250. The margin on this product would be insane at $154. If it was still in stock, I would definitely, if I was doing my product research right now, I would add this product on my list, say that it's out of stock, and check on it in a couple weeks, see if it's back in stock, because the margin is crazy here. We can also check the ranking and see how the rank is. So this is 68,000, so this probably moves. And another thing that you could do is you can go to what's called Jungle Scout Sales Estimator, and this is free. And there's no need to do this because it doesn't cost you anything to list dropshipping products. However, it doesn't hurt. So this is just something you can do to check the average sales. So the number is 68,712. So you'll just type that into Google, type it into the calculator, 68,712, I think it was. Yep. Marketplace, United States. Category is patio, lawn, and garden. So patio, lawn, and garden. Calculate the sales. So this product is moving 60 units a month. That's an estimate. I'm sure it's not 100% right. And if you look, there's 3 sellers all at the same price. So if you jumped in there, you guys would get roughly 20 sales each, which is really, really good if the buy box was rotating properly. None of these guys are prime either, so my guess is they might be drop shippers. If we looked on their store, we definitely could check out if they are or aren't, but we'll leave that for another video. So now I'm just going to go back and I'm going to do a different category so you guys can see how this would work with another category, and then we should be able to find a couple more for you guys. Now, if you were doing If you guys were doing product research and you were actually trying to find products to sell right now, 100% you want to go through all the pages on the listing on any given category, because you want to just keep checking, keep searching, keep finding before you drown out that search choice, and then you can go to the next one. For the sake of this video, I'm going to another one so you can kind of see how this works in a different category. However, again, if you are doing product research and actually using this information, definitely go through pages. You can go through, in this category, there are 7 pages. I would probably go through half of them, see if it was good, and if I found at least a couple products from those 7 pages, would definitely keep going and keep going and keep going. If I didn't, maybe I would stop after 3 or 4 pages. So now we're going to go in, we're going to open up with the same steps, open up 5 or 6 in new windows and see if we can find any good products. This one I'll skip, just go down here. Okay. We're back. Now we're going to open up the first one in a new tab. Okay, 20 sellers. I'm sure the rank is awesome on this product, but we'll double check. 318 super fire rank. I'm sure this product sells all day. We will check that out as well. I actually remember I was selling a Keurig heavy this time last year, like multiple units a day. So this, I can tell you, these products are awesome. That's also why I picked this to kind of go into. You can pick anything. Keurigs, regular coffee makers, anything. You just want to type in different stuff and go. You can also go manually through the different categories, and you can go, like, let's say up here, and just, if you can't think of something, pick a category. Stay away from electronics and babies' toys and stuff like that, but go into, you can go into patio, lawn, and garden, home stuff, office products, I would stay away from pet supplies as well. You might not be ungated in that category in the beginning, and just go into a category and start searching for products. But for this, we're in here. So we found this product. It's sold by 20 different people, so it's definitely okay for us to sell. We're looking obviously in the new category. So we're going to open this up, search it for Google. Okay, we found it on Walmart now. And this is the same Keurig. It's at $79 free. Yep. Okay, $79. What is it selling for? It's selling for $79. Let's see what the other sellers are selling it for. So if we go only new, let's say, okay, so the first seller is Amazon. So Amazon's on this listing. They're probably taking up almost all the sales. You're not really going to be able to compete with them. However, there is money in this product. If we go to the second seller, let's say Amazon wasn't there. Okay, $95.30 minus 15%, Amazon's commission, 81. So if you sold it at this price, you would make $2-ish per sale, which is pretty good. That's not bad. Again, so we found the product. Amazon's on the listing, so I would stay away. So we'll go to the next one. Right here. Again, we have another Keurig. Okay, ships from Amazon, so it's probably Prime, but it's sold by them. Let's see if this product is on one of our suppliers. So we're going to go here, search on Google. Okay, so this is definitely out of stock on Walmart right now. Okay, just to keep this in mind for you guys, this is $52.80 when it normally sells, and it is selling for $98 on Amazon. I'm sure that price might change a little bit. I can't check it because, again, we don't have our extensions. But this is something I would put on the side. There's a crazy margin. That's almost 50% of a margin, even after Amazon's fees on this product. definitely keep this on the side. If it goes back in stock, check it out again. You have the ASIN. You want to just hold on to it, check it out later on, but maybe you would definitely have to move on right now. So I'm going to see if we can find it on one of our other suppliers, and we'll go from there. So I think I saw up here, I saw Bed Bath & Beyond. So Bed Bath & Beyond is actually a supplier that I use very much so in the beginning of my dropshipping journey on Amazon. I used Bed Bath & Beyond a lot because they had these 20% off coupons that you could use nonstop. So I had one of my Chrome extensions, Honey, that would just generate me 20% off coupon codes. I would use them every single order, and I would get 20% knocked off my product. So even if I sold it and it was the same price, I used that 20%. I made a 20% margin almost on the product. So definitely keep this in mind. I wouldn't run heavy volume through Bed Bath & Beyond, and don't quote me on it because I haven't been using Bed Bath & Beyond in almost 2 years now. However, I could tell you from my experience, I did used to use them for probably 5 or 6 orders a week, and they worked out very well. There was extremely high margin in them. No, I didn't run volume through them, but their margin that I did have was really good. So right here, this product is $60, and I'm sure you guys saw that pop up from earlier where they offered a 20% off coupon. I'm sure we could find one as well. So let's say it was $60 on Bed Bath & Beyond. This item is selling for $98, the cheapest price. So if you match their product, their price, 98 minus 15%, $83.30 for this product after fees. And if we go here, it's selling for $60. Let's see if we added it to our cart. Black. Let's see if there's any shipping and handling. Okay, I'm gonna skip this. So right here, you guys can see that there is $3 estimated tax. No, you can't get tax exempt on Bed Bath & Beyond, at least not that I know of. So you can see that this product right now, we found one that we would make, I forget what the number was. Let's check it out again. It's selling for 98 minus 15%, 83.30 minus 63.98. You'd be making $19.32 every time this item sold, and I'm even going to jump into the Jungle Scout on this one and let you guys really see the power of this product and how much it could sell for you. So Jungle Scout sales estimator, I forgot to pull it up again. Okay, so let's enter the rank on this one. I'm sure the rank is extremely good. 43 in home and kitchen. Let's see, 43 home, United States, home and kitchen. Calculate the sales. 43,830 sales estimated per month. I'm sure there's a bunch of sellers, so that will get divided up. No, you're not going to sell 43,000 of these yourself. But, oh, nobody even has buy box right now. So, as you can see, even though there's a bunch of sellers, there's plenty of sales to go around for everybody. So, with this product, go ahead, if you're dropshipping right now, take this product, see if you can sell a couple units from Bed Bath & Beyond. I'm telling you, this does work, and this cold product research also can work. It'll just take you more time to go through, but we've only been on here for probably less than a half hour, and we've already found 2 or 3 potential products. So that is going to wrap up today's video. If you guys like this video, please leave a like, comment what kind of products that you're going to be searching for, as well as if this method possibly worked for you. Also, let me know what kind of videos you guys want to see next. So with that being said, that wraps up today's video, and I will see you guys in the next one.